Apparently, they say, people are just now discovering that a Swiffer duster can clean more than floors. Blinds, vents, electronics, baseboards, ceiling fans, and more. It is said to trap and lock dust, makes cleaning easier, dusts in hard-to-reach places, removes dust and allergens, quick cleanups, leaves surfaces looking clean. Lightweight and easy to use, so they say, you'd better run out and purchase them so your things don't get dusty. However, what is odd is that I found my DIY technique works just as well, if not better. Meanwhile, I will let you in on something. My mom had me cleaning all of those things years ago for my allowance. My mom just handed me an old sock and called it good. And honestly, my mom's homemade version of dusting spray still works just fine. I made you a free printable with the dust spray recipe. The link is down below in the description. Now don't get me wrong, those disposable dusters work great. I'm not knocking them for what they can do. Swiffer dusters do the job just fine. But sometimes it feels like we forgot how to clean before everything became disposable. Blinds, baseboards, fans, vents, TV stand. These things have always needed dusting. That has never changed. But honestly, the way I see it, buying refill after refill gets expensive. Then, not to mention the landfill. So today I want to show you my reusable DIY dusting cloth and spray that grabs dust, pet hair, cobwebs, and lint, all surprisingly well. All you will need is a microfiber cloth, or even a soft washcloth will do. Or my favorite is an old cotton sock. And here's the trick. You do not want this cloth soaking wet. Just lightly dampen it. In a spray bottle I have put together 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 teaspoon coconut oil or olive oil, and 1 tiny drop of dish soap. Shake it up. And lightly mist the cloth. It's not a good idea to spray on electronics directly. That little bit of conditioning helps the cloth grab dust instead of just pushing it around. Works great on blinds. This grabs dust way better than a dry rag. Baseboards are one of those places people forget until company comes over. Add a microfiber cloth to the end of a broom brush with a rubber band. No bending necessary. On ceiling fans, use a pillowcase to catch the dirt. Just spray the inside of the pillowcase, then wipe the blades. This spray and microfiber cloth works great on electronics because it picks up dust instead of scattering it. But be careful. Many screens need a special cleaner and do not spray directly onto electronics. Spray the cloth lightly, then wipe the item. Air vents. Air vents collect so much hidden dust. I think sometimes we've drifted away from simple things that already worked. People cleaned homes beautifully long before disposable gadgets existed. And honestly, a lot of those old methods still work just as well today. This little reusable cloth washes easily. Costs almost nothing, especially if you use it over and over. Creates less waste in the landfill. And works on almost everything. Reminder, don't forget to subscribe. So today we made a reusable dusting cloth to do the work. Made a simple DIY dust spray and used it to dust just about everything. Blinds, air vents, electronics, baseboards, ceiling fans, and more. And the best part? You can wash it and use it again and again. If your mom or grandma had old-school cleaning tricks too, tell me in the comments, because honestly, some of those methods still work better than the expensive stuff. And don't worry about writing this all down. I made a simple free printable for you in the description. Don't forget to like and share. See you in the next video.